Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this quick Photoshop video, I will show you how to attach toolbar in Photoshop. Now, this is a common question. A lot of people are struggling with this. While this is a simple solution, let's get started and let me show you how to do it. So first of all, as you can see, I cannot see my toolbar, right? So what can you do if you don't have your toolbar? First of all, go to Window and then here type and click on Tools, right? So click just on Tools and the toolbar will be shown. For some people, toolbar will be like here, right? Maybe here or maybe here or maybe in the middle of the screen, right? So what can you do to actually attach this toolbar to to the corner, right? So what you can do is just left click on this right here, as you can see right here, left click on it and just drag it until you see on the left side this blue line. Then just drop it and this will be connected to the left side. Now you can also left click and drag it out and make it right here on the right side, right? You can do this wherever you want, right? As you can see on the left side or right side. I like mine to be on the left side, so I just drag and drop it here and I have everything right here, right? So again, if you don't see your tools, go to Window and Tools, and this is basically how you can navigate through it. You can also hide or expand, hide, right, the tools. For some people, expanding is also great because you can see a lot of your tools. And this is pretty much how you can attach toolbar in Photoshop. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.